Hello teacher, I'm Nidia Martinez. In this video I'm going to explain you how will be my little class, my teaching class. This presentation called Teaching Practice Workshop. In this video I'm going to explain the first part, how will be my class, and the second part I'm going to show my class. Maybe my class we are with students. Let's do it. In the first part of my class, I'm going to show my students a short and funny video about diphthongs. This video can looking for a previously knowledge that the students have. The name of this video is International Phonetic Alphabet 2 Long Vowel Sounds Diphthongs Pronunciation. This is the link of this video in the YouTube platform. This video is very funny and very short and explained the topic with a funny form, a funny way. The second part of my class I'm going to do to my students 2 simple questions about the video. This question is about the video. This question don't have other topic different the topic of the video. The question is for checking the knowledge or the previous knowledge or what the students learned with the video. With the lights. The first question is, what was the topic of the video? Obviously I'm going to explain the first question for the students that not understand the English. Always have in the class one student that don't understand the topics. I need to have a lot of patience. The second sentence is, do you consider that the pronunciation of the diphthongs is important? Why? In this question, I want to know the idea, the opinion of my students. In my class, it's very important to know the ideas that the students have. It's very important. This way, I came to know how thinking my students, how they is are appropriating of the topic. This part is very important for me in all my class. In all my class, it's very important to know what are the knowledge that the students, what are the ideas of my students. This is the third part. The third part of my class, I'm going to explain the topic, explain the concept, explain what is diphthongs, what are diphthongs. I'm going to give to my students a little bit concept for they will can write in their notebooks. For me, it's very important to take notes. Take notes. It's very important, especially when I'm explaining a new topic, especially a topic like this. Diphthongs very important for the pronunciation, for the to know how to pronounce some the words that have diphthongs in in each in theirs. I'm sorry. And bueno, so in this part, I'm going to give the concept for my students, the concept for diphthongs. I'm going to do a little reading about the concept. I'm going to show my students for slides that with the topic that contain the topic. I'm sorry, slides that contain the topic. Part of third part is show my students the diphthongs. I need to say them what are the diphthongs, how pronounce the diphthongs. In this chart, I have one examples. I need to give to my students more examples. For me, the students need to learn with a lot of examples. A lot of examples of words, a lot of examples of sentence is very important for me because they can understand better the topic with the examples. I think it's my opinion. You know, they are more examples. Each diphthongs have one or two examples in my class. This is the chart that I will use for my class. In this chart, I have the eight diphthongs that English language have. For example, the diphthongs ear, here, a. I'm going to explain each one of these diphthongs or to my students. More word samples. Like I was telling you, for me it's very important to know a lot of samples. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each diphthongs have 3, 4, 5 examples. It's very important for me. We are going to watch some sentences using words with diphthongs. Sentence with these words with a simple sentence. It's very important that because the students have to appropriate for this topic. This topic is very easy. It's not difficult. So the students can't write simple sentence with simple words. It's not difficult. for me the class will be not difficult. I'm sorry with my grammar. I don't have a lot of knowledge about grammar. I'm only start. I'm sorry. Teacher, for activity 1, the students should write 10 words using diphthongs. And also they should write a little or a short paragraph with these words. And then the first part, the students must read this paragraph. The paragraph that they wrote, the students wrote, then the students must or should read the paragraph. For this activity is necessary because I need to know how is the pronunciation of the students, the pronunciation in special of the diphthongs. If the students improve your pronunciation using the diphthongs. The evaluation activity is in other page, in a page of internet. In this page, they should choose some options. I'm going to show you what they should do. For example, in this activity, they have the word my. The word my have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options that they can choose one of them. The correct option. They have 8 options to peel. They have to choose the correct options for diphthongs in these words. This activity, the activity give the note when the students finish. So it's very funny and easy. It's not difficult for them. This is the image of this activity. So teacher, this is my class. Now I'm going to show you only a short sample of my class. A short sample of my class. Okay, so I'm going to start with my example of my class. Hi students, I'm your teacher, your English teacher. In this class we are going to learn a new topic, a new fantastic topic. Let's do it. First, we have to watch this video. This video is very funny, very interesting about the topic that our class is. I'm going to show I'm going to show you the video. Watch carefully, please.
Hello everybody, welcome to Rad English. In the previous episode, I introduced you to this, the International Phonetic Alphabet, but we only looked at the short vowel sounds. Today, I want to look at the long vowel sounds, and we're going to demonstrate each one. But first, I need some help, so let's get Dylan. Hi Dylan. So what is it today? Well, we're still doing the International Phonetic Alphabet, but today we're doing the long vowel sounds. Can you go and get me the A stuff, please? Okay, great. So the first sound is A, like in tray, or cake, or lemonade. The next sound is oi, as in point, toys, and toilet. Hey, how about a bit of privacy? This next sound is I, as in tie, fly, or library. Shh. This sound is air, as in chair, pear, or stairs. Next, it's ear, as in cheer, beer, or cereal. This sound is or, as in tourist, Europe, or of course, euro. Next, it's this sound, which is O, as in snow, or coat. This sound is ow, as in house, cow, or shower. Okay, so that's all of the long vowel sounds. There's not that many. In the next episode, we'll do the...
Okay, my dear students. It was our video for start with our class. It's very funny in the video, okay. Wait a minute. Okay. In the second part, you have to answer two questions. Two simple questions. Two questions. The first question that you should answer is, what was the topic of the video? The first, you have to answer in your notebook, please. And the second question is, do you consider that the pronunciation of the diphthongs is important? Why? According to the video, you have to answer these two questions in our notebook. I'm going to give you 5 minutes for answer these two questions. Then we have to listen carefully the explanation of the topic for today. And you have to take notes that the slides show you. Diphthongs. A diphthongs is a glide from one vowel sound to another within a single syllable. In English language, some syllables is formed with two vowel sounds. Two vowel sounds form one syllable. For example, the phoneme I in the words I might, or try. You can listen carefully. In these words, only you can listen one sound. You don't listen try. No, you only listen one sound. Try, my, I. One sound. This one sound is called diphthongs. It's different. The diphthongs is different or monophone. In this monophone, use one vowel, sound one sound. For example, eh, eh. In man, sand. One vowel, one sound. Monophone. In diphthongs, two vowels, one sound. I'm sorry. Two vowels, two vowels form one sound. Is clear until this? Okay. Diphthongs, the diphthongs that English language have are ia, form the vowel sound of e and e, 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 ia. Other diphthong is a, e, e, a. You can listen a, one sound. O, o, o. Oi, oi. Form o and e, oi. E, 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 e. Form with two vowel sound. E, e, and e, e, e. I form four a and e. I, I, ow, ow. Form four two vowel sound. A, o, ow. A and o, ow, ow. Knowing the diphthongs is very important for improve our pronunciation of the English language. It's very important. You need to practice a lot of times this topic. There are some examples of diphthongs. A, bait, late. I, bite, hide. O, both, hoe. Old, o, boat, coat. Oi, boy, toy. Again, repeat after me. A, bite. I'm sorry. A, bait, late. Bait, late. I, bite, hide. Bite, high. O, boat. hoe, boat, hold. I'm sorry, how, oh, boat, coat, oi, boy, toy. It's easy. There are more word examples. It's very important that you practice with examples. Ear, ear, here, cheer, there, there. Air, air, I, air, chair, rare, bear, there. Or, tool, pool, sure, cure. A, say, pray, pay, day. I, I, pie, sight, fight. Oil, oil, coin, boys, boy, boil. Oh, oh, go, so, bow, slow, out, oh, oat, count, found, bow. These are some examples. You need to practice these examples. You need to practice pronunciation. These are some sentences using words with diphthongs. You need to practice and write new sentence using the diphthongs that you have been in this class. For example, the first sentence. He is near here. He is near here. In this part, you can watch that the diphthongs that used for form this sentence is ear. Ear. He is near here. The second sentence. My mom plays with 8 plays. My mom plays with 8 plays. In this sentence, used a. The diphthong a. The third sentence. It isn't time for this type of thing. It isn't time for this type of thing. It isn't time for this type of thing. In this example, used I. Diphthong I. It's very easy. You need to write a lot of sentences using the words with diphthongs. Yes. So we are going to start the first activity for this class. The first activity you must write 10 words using diphthongs. 10 words, simple words. that you can practice in our in this class these words, the pronunciation of these words. Also, you should write a short paragraph with these words. Short is simple paragraph. You don't write a long paragraph. No, short paragraph. Then the first part of this activity, you must read this paragraph in a loud voice. A loud voice. Why, teacher? Because I need to listen your pronunciation of the tongues. I need to listen. I need to listen to you. So then you have finished the last activity. You need to do the evaluation activity. The evaluation activity, you should go to follow this link. This link, you do click in this link, and in this link, you can do a funny activity. It's very funny. This activity, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 words. Each word have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options that with diphthongs. This word have only one correct option that contain the correct diphthongs that contain this word. I need to choose. Can be oi, can be o, can be I, can be u, can be a. You need to choose only the correct. When you finish this activity, you click in check, and this activity give you a note. It's clear for until now? Okay. This is an example. When you finish the evaluation activity, you finish this class for today. Thanks a lot, my dear students, for stay here with me. I'm so happy to stay with you in this class. Thanks for stay here, and I'm going to see you the next class. Bye bye, my dear students. Is all for today. Okay, teacher, it was my example of my little bit class. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake in my grammar. I have a lot of a lot of mistakes in my grammar. I'm sorry, teacher. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your class. I hope see you soon. For me, this course have been the most important for this first semester. I only have for you a lot of thanks. Bye, teacher. I only have for you. Thanks. Bye, teacher.